The main activities undertaken in 2012 were the excavation of soil and rocks in the hilly areas, transportation of material excavated, and creation of embankment in areas of the site that need to be filled. In 2012, the contingent also constructed the conduits for the electrical, telephone, and cable television ducts, which were passed under the runway, and also began the process of placing topsoil on the unpaved shoulders of the runway to allow for vegetation and reduction in the amount of dust generated from the site. They also started construction of another culvert to receive runoff water from the pavement. The aprons and about 2/3 of the runway are at the level to receive the base material in preparation for the final asphalt or concrete pavement works. IADC expects to complete all remaining earth and site works by September 2013. These works will be done concurrently with pavement works on other areas of the runway. Pavement works are programmed to extend to December 2013. Over the past few weeks, the stone crusher has been in operation and crushed stones are being compiled in preparation for the laying of the base. With the return of the Cuban workers on Saturday, January 12th, work is expected to be intensified in several areas of the project, with the base laying aspect due to commence soon. The excavation of soil and rocks continue, as well as the transportation of excavated material. Other areas of earthworks also continue around the site. By the end of the first quarter of this year, it is expected that actual pavement works will begin. Work on the sea defenses, the control tower, and the aircraft firefighting and rescue station is also expected to commence by May. We will also continue and complete a second drainage system to receive runoff from the pavement. The IADC is also awaiting the arrival of the asphalt and concrete batching plants to enable it to begin actual pavement works. The airfield lighting system has begun arriving with several containers on the ground at the site already. In the meantime, we are awaiting the resumption of blasting activities in the area of Makoni Yami Hill. This work was halted last year as a result of a broken drill machine. Repairs are still to be completed for this work to resume. Work on the terminal building continues to move at a rapid pace, and the building remains on schedule to be completed by contract date of December 2013. To date, the contractor, Overseas Engineering Construction Company, OECC, has completed just over 57% of the work on the passenger terminal and electrical substation buildings, putting them some 8% ahead of schedule. Work on the installation of the steel structure is nearing completion. Material for roofing, structural members for canopy and canopy cover are scheduled to arrive at the end of January. Installation will commence in the second week of February after the Chinese New Year. Meantime, persons who access Argyle Gardens, Mount Pleasant, and Warrico are now using a new access road to get to these areas. The old vehicular access has been removed and is only accessible by pedestrians for whom steps have been provided. Motorists are now using the cargo terminal road, which connects them back to what remains of the old access road. Notice boards and arrows have been posted along the way for your guidance. You will also encounter a bit more dust as trucks are also working in the area. We ask you to bear with us as we try to make things better for all of us. We apologize sincerely for any inconvenience that you may suffer as a result. For more information regarding the Argyle International Airport, please log on to www.svgiadc.com or look us up on Facebook at Friends of the Argyle International Airport or on YouTube at IADC SVG.